Welcome to our channel. Finding the perfect hotel requires balancing price, location, and amenities. Step 1. Define your priorities such as location, facilities, or room size. Step 2. Use multiple booking platforms to compare prices and read recent reviews. Step 3. Check the hotel's official website as they sometimes offer exclusive deals. Step 4. Read reviews carefully, focusing on recent ones and looking for recurring themes. Step 5. Consider location carefully and calculate transportation costs if staying outside the center. Step 6. Look beyond star ratings and focus on what specific amenities matter to you. Step 7. Book refundable rates when possible to maintain flexibility. Step 8. Check if breakfast is included, as this can provide significant savings. Step 9. Contact the hotel directly to ask about available upgrades or special requests. Step 10. Join hotel loyalty programs even for a single stay to access member benefits. Step 11. Consider alternative accommodations like apartments or guest houses that might offer better value. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.